Welcome to Theia3D Batch User Interface, part of the Theia3D tutorial series. In this video, we will describe the layout of the Theia3D Batch application user interface and where its functions are located. The Theia3D Batch application is made up of three main areas, which are the data path, the settings area, and the trial list. The data path displays the currently selected batch directory, where Theia3D Batch will look for the raw data to process. Next to the data path, the user can browse for a new batch directory. Below the data path is the settings area. The settings area includes the output file selections, where the user can choose the desired output file formats, which include workspaces, JSON files, C3D files, FBX files, and video files. Next to Save FBX, the drop-down menu can be used to select the coordinate system convention used when exporting FBX files. When saving video files, it is necessary to select the desired visualizations from the available display options, and add the desired camera views from the list of available videos to the list of videos to be saved. The Use Hierarchical Names option in combination with the Level drop-down menu allows the folder names in the batch data directory to be used as the names for all output files, where the level selection will determine the number of folder levels to use in the file name. The trial list occupies the bottom portion of the Theia3D Batch application window, and lists the trials located within the selected batch directory. The selection squares indicate which trials will be included in the batch analysis, and can be modified individually, or by using the search bar and the Select All selection square next to trials. The search bar can also be used with the @ symbol to query the list of trials based on their detected state, as indicated in the state column. The Details option located at the upper right corner of the trials area will display more information about the trials. The columns included in the trials area can be modified by right-clicking on the header row of the table, and can include state, calibration, preferences, number of frames, FPS or frame rate, cutoff frequency, excluded cameras, and tracking bounding box. Using the Display Errors box at the top right corner of the trials list, the user can choose whether any errors that arise during the batch processing are displayed in a window below the trials list. Finally, at the bottom of the interface is the Run Batch button, and a status bar indicating the current status and any ongoing analysis steps. Thank you for watching this Theia3D tutorial on the Theia3D Batch user interface. If you have any questions that have not been answered, please feel free to reach out to support@theiamarkerless.com.